All right, welcome. Today we're doing a deep dive into a really intriguing idea. It comes from Borislava Tachev. She's the founder of Alqubit. And she asked this question: can IT be more than just functional? Could it, actually be art? We've looked through quite a bit of research, public info to give you a kind of shortcut to understanding her whole approach. Our mission really is just pulling out the key insights for you. So let's start there. This idea, IT as an expression of art. What does that actually mean in practice?
Well, it's a really deliberate move by Borislava Tachev and Alqubit. They're trying to redefine IT. This philosophy, IT is an expression of art. It's not just, a catchy phrase. It's about merging that deep technical know-how with genuine creativity. The aim is solutions that work, obviously, but that also have a certain elegance, maybe an experiential value. Think of like an architect designing a building. It's shelter, sure, but it's also about the flow, the light, how it feels to be in it. And she's got the background over 25 years in IT, so it's built on a pretty solid foundation.
Okay, that's a bold concept. But how does that vision, that artistic idea, translate into the actual services Alqubit offers, the nuts and bolts?
Yeah, it absolutely does. So Alqubit provides a whole suite of services: cloud, managed IT, backup, disaster recovery, network solutions, cybersecurity.
Yep.
The works. But the way they do it is different. It's about crafting the solution. Take network design, for instance. It's not just about speed. It's designing a clean, almost elegant, logical structure, which actually often makes the system stronger and more efficient anyway. And because they're a, quote, boutique firm, the focus is really on personalized, sort of artfully tailored solutions, not that generic approach.
Right, that makes sense, that attention to detail. But here's something I found really interesting. She takes this creative approach into their marketing, too. How does that work?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, that's a key part. Tachev really emphasizes using high-quality, almost cinematic video content. Seriously, they use professional production gear you'd find on a movie set. We're talking ARI, RD, Sony Venice, top-tier stuff. And cinematic lenses. It ensures every frame looks, well, meticulously crafted. This isn't just about looking good, though. It's a direct reflection of that IT as art philosophy. It shows that commitment to craft runs through everything they do, from the tech itself to how they present it.
Interesting. So she's deeply involved in shaping the brand image that way, and she's quite visible herself, right? Not just working behind the scenes.
That's right, yeah. She's very active publicly. Her YouTube channel at Borislava Tachev is a big part of that. I think it has over 300 videos.
Yeah.
And it's not just, Alqubit ads. She covers technical topics, deep dives into things like TCP/IP, but also shares knowledge about cinematic production. And she even gets quite personal. There's one video titled something like "The Toughest 5 Years, but I Still Fighting Back." Sharing that journey, that resilience, it creates a very relatable story for the Alqubit brand. It sort of mirrors that idea of artistically tackling complex IT problems. Plus, she authors articles on their blog too, cementing her position as a thought leader.
Okay, so pulling this all together, what's the key takeaway for you, our listener? Maybe someone dealing with IT choices.
I think the main thing is that Borislava Tachev is a genuinely influential figure here. She manages to blend this deep technical skill with a really distinct artistic vision and frankly sharp marketing sense. She's not just the founder, she kind of is the IT as an expression of art brand for Alqubit. And, it does make you wonder, could this art IT idea from Alqubit be the start of something bigger? Could we see a future where IT solutions are judged not just on how robust they are technically, but also on their elegance, their user experience, their artistic merit? It's definitely something to think about, isn't it?